everybody, and welcome to Arrusti Mangia.
Hi guys, just a quick video. I wanted to show you guys the pancetta, what it looks like after the 3 weeks of drying. So here it is. You can see that, and that's how it'll look. Okay, the skin is still not rock solid, so you don't want to make it rock solid, right? You just want it so it's kind of like that kind of gumminess to it, but you can have a look and see that. And we're going to cut one now, and I've already pre-cut this one here, and you can see the nice coloration of it. So what I do is I'll cut them in maybe 1 inch to 1.5 inches slabs, and I'll go this way. You can cut them across that way, the long way, but I'd rather do them this way. They're easier to vacuum pack, and then I'll just vacuum pack each slab that I want. So out of this I can probably make 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 4 slabs of it, right? So we're gonna dig into that and just see how it is. And then you gotta just cut through to the skin. And look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Give it a taste. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So when you want to cut it now, you can just cut them into pieces, okay? Again, if you don't want it with the skin, you can just actually do it like when you're gonna clean a fish. There's the skin there, or you can cut it with the skin. But that's what you're left with, and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so pancetta tessa, just like your Italian bacon, cured. Okay, so I wanted to just show you before we close it up that what I do is I cut them into sheets like that, like I said, about 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and then I'll vacuum pack them. You can keep them in the fridge for a long time. You don't have to worry, or you could freeze them. Either way, I'll usually keep them in the fridge. They're good for 6 months to a year. I never have any problem with them. Actually, the longer they stay in the pack, it still cures itself on top of it. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you on the next one, guys.